The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R 2023 is a high-performance supersport motorbike designed to provide a thrilling riding experience. It sports a strong 636 cubic centimeters, 127 horsepower inline-four engine, lightweight frame, and fully adjustable front inverted fork and rear uni-track shock, so it handles well on the road or track. Follow the rules of the road. The fully adjustable uni-track rear suspension with progressive dampening aids in maintaining rear-wheel traction while transferring power to the ground. This results in more confident braking and more predictable handling on and off the track. The Ninja ZX-6R Supersport provides iconic ninja power on and off the track, thanks to a powerful 636 cubic centimeters engine and innovative performance technologies. A high-quality assist and slipper clutch decreases back torque when the engine brakes excessively, allowing you to maintain a high speed through curves and hit the following straightaway with ideal momentum. This contactless-type rapid shifter allows for ultra-quick upshifts at full power for smooth, maximum acceleration on or off the track. When the shift lever is depressed, the system sends a signal to the ECU to interrupt ignition for a brief period of time, allowing the next gear to be engaged for clutchless shifting. The Ninja ZX-6R motorbike has new aggressive appearance that is inspired by the bigger displacement Ninja ZX-10R motorcycle, with sharp and edgy lines that remain faithful to the legendary Ninja image. The front cowling and windscreen design marks the next phase in Ninja motorcycle evolution, increasing distance from the competitors.
Invincible.
Each LED headlight has a position lamp as well as low and high beams for maximum brightness. The single-sided muffler has a finishing treatment and a characteristic end cap design that complements the athletic appearance of the Ninja ZX-6R motorbike. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a top-tier supersport that is ideal for riders seeking speed, performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it tough to pick from Kawasaki's 2023 portfolio. The non-ABS version of the 2023 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R costs $10,699 $12,999 Canadian dollars, while the ABS versions cost $11,999 $13,699 Canadian dollars.